Hey everyone, so many of you are asking, OTESALY fat dissolving and fat X, which one do I need? Let's break it down. Think of them as different tools for the same job. They work together to lose fat, but each one does something unique. First up, fat dissolving solution. It works on double chin, any body fat areas like thighs, tummy, and it can even help with stretching masks and scars. It's packed with stuff like L-carnitine to burn fat and DMAE to tighten skin. Choose this one for twirling and shaping. Now, meet the Fat X solution. This is different. It's a powder. You need to mix with solvent. It's strictly to your belly and arms. Its star ingredient is acetohexapeptide 39, which can suppress your appetite, stop fat from forming, and let you lose weight safely without rebound. So, the quick choice. Pick fat dissolving solution if you need to target multiple areas, sculpting and tightening. Go for Fat X solution if you focus belly and arm fat, want to slim whole body, and control appetite. But for the ultimate transformation, combine them. Start with fat dissolving to break down existing fat, then 7 to 10 days later, and Fat X to prevent new fat and control cravings.